visiting Vijayanagara and the Hampi, seeing various stages of Vijayanagara Empire, the sculpture, the temples, the beauty of architecture, and depicting age-old Indian traditions, particularly during the royal dynasty of different phases, 13th century, 14th century, 15th century onwards. Visit to this place, these temples, these monuments will really tell our youngsters about the ancient history, culture, then heritage, the greatness of our civilization, and the goodness of our kings who have ruled, particularly Sri Krishna Deva Raya, how he has encouraged arts, how he has encouraged culture, poetry, literature, music, everything is depicted. It's a beautiful place which will give the total account of the Vijayanagara dynasty right from here to Udayagiri, my constituency. Sri Krishna Deva Raya is known for taking up construction of wells because agriculture was the main culture. It was the main livelihood for the people. So he focused on creation of tanks and also restoration of rivers and rivulets and also promotion of culture to preserve our heritage. So I suggest to the youngsters, particularly the student community, to visit Hampi during their early life so that they know the culture and heritage and also they can really feel about the greatness of their forefathers. These are all our forefathers only. The way they lived, their families lived, they conducted their courts, and also how these wars were fought, how the Bahmani Sultans came here and destroyed many of these, and some of them are in ruins. But still, you could get a feel of it, and I am happy that the Archaeological Survey of India is maintaining this, our culture, and preserving this heritage to pass on it to the younger generation. It is the duty of all citizens, but particularly these people who are in this local area, to cooperate in the conservation of this. I visited it earlier also as a member of Legislative Assembly, as a party functionary, but today I came along with my grandchildren, and I wanted them to be particularly here so that they can really reconnect to their past, know about their forefathers and the great civilization we have offered to the people. నాకు చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది ఈరోజు కుటుంబ సమేతంగా విజయనగర సామ్రాజ్యాన్ని కళ్ళకు కట్టినట్టుగా ఈ పురాతన కట్టడాలు ఏదైతే కేంద్ర పురాతన పరిశోధన పురావస్తు శాఖ ఆధ్వర్యంలో వీటన్నిటినీ నిర్వహించడం, వాటి గొప్పతనం అవన్నీ పేదలు తెలుసుకునేటికి అవకాశం రావడం చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది. నాకు పాత రోజులు గుర్తొస్తున్నాయి. నాకు శ్రీకృష్ణదేవరాయలు అంటే నాకు ఇష్టమైన రాజుల్లో మహారాజుల్లో శ్రీకృష్ణదేవరాయలు ఒకడు. ఎందుకంటే ఆయన రాజ్యాన్ని సక్రమంగా ధర్మంగా పాటించడంతో పాటు ఆయన ఏ పురాతన అరే మాట్లాడతారు కామన్ సెన్స్. हमारा पुरातन संस्कृति, हमारा परंपरा जो है उसी को कायम रखना और अगला पीढ़ी को ये ट्रांसफ़र करना हमारा कर्तव्य है। इसलिए ये पाठ्यक्रम में भाग होना चाहिए और साथ ही साथ श्री कृष्णदेवराय के बारे में और राया डायनास्टी के बारे में जो इतिहास लिखने वाले प्रमुख रूप में इसको प्राधान्यता देना वाला है, क्योंकि श्री कृष्णदेवराया नहीं तो ये राया डायनास्टी केवल वो राजा महाराजा ऐसा नहीं है, वो अपना प्रजा को अपना खुद बच्चों के रूप में उन्होंने उनका पालन किया है और उनको शिक्षा, साहित्य, संगीत, नृत्य और अन्य कलाओं में उनको जिनका अभिरुचि है उस अभिरुचियों को उन्होंने प्रोत्साहन किया है। इसलिए देश भर में सभी भारतीय नागरिक, विशेष रूप में युवा पीढ़ी यहाँ आके ये हम्पी विजयनगर एम्पायर इसका पुरातन इतिहास जानना चाहिए और देखना चाहिए। देखने से उनको मनोबल बढ़ेगा, आत्मविश्वास बढ़ेगा, अपना पूर्वजों के बारे में और भी रेस्पेक्ट बढ़ेगा और हमारा पुरातन संस्कृति, प्राचीन संस्कृति के बारे में उनको एक ठीक तरफ से अवधारणा यहाँ आने से मिलेगा। मैं आर्कियोलॉजिकल सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया को और यहाँ जो काम कर रहे सभी कर्मचारियों को मैं अभिनंदन देना चाहता हूँ, बधाई देना चाहता हूँ। वो अपना कार्यक्रम, अपना कर्तव्य बहुत अच्छी तरफ से निभा रहे एंड आई होप द यंगर जनरेशन will come here, see this and also appreciate the good work and the great work.
Over it, due to the weight, the superstructure was also removed, and in the most finest aspect is that the people, traders used to cross the river, come down here, and their goods were weighed in Tulavara Mandapa, and one mandapa is here right in front. They used to weigh their goods. There they would pay gold coins. How many gold coins you can afford? If you can afford one gold coin, you are given the farthest market. If you give 8 gold coins, nearer to the market. And whatever they take money.
Right.